Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see the string library. In the string library we have categorized into updating, deleting, modifying, so other parts we divided. But in this part we are going to see how many keywords are there for updating a string. So we are divided in the first part we are going to see concatenate, convert to lower, convert to upper, convert to title case, convert to string. Catenate and convert to string are present in built-in library. Other keywords are present in string library. Let's write the program and we'll see. Okay, so first one is settings. I need a library string. Now start the test cases. First thing is catenate. Let's write string update keywords. Okay, now let's write some of the code for the catenate. Let's example. As we know, catenate is used for merging the two strings together. Yep. Okay, for that one, catenate hello world. So in this case what will happen means, let's open one notepad. Otherwise, so what will happen means the expected output will be hello one space followed by world. This is what expecting, because the separator is default one space. Okay, let's this one. Now one more is, let's write one more string is equal to catenate. In this case I am going to mention the separator is equal to, instead of space I want two minus symbols. Then my input is hello world, hello world. Now next thing is, now I want only separator. This is the default as the above first one, but let's write this one. String is equal to catenate separator is equal to one space tab. Now hello world. Now similarly we can merge multiple strings. For that one just we need to pass the number of string variables. So hello world 123 testing. Now this completed. Let's see the output. CMD. Now let's write Robert. It's completed. Refresh. Now as I said, the expected output, the first one expected output could be, I will write here, it should be hello space one world. Let's see this one. You can see the default separator is one space. This is also matching. Now here we added space, we added two hyphen symbols. In that case the output could be two hyphens hello, two hyphens world. Yep, that is also matching. Now this is a default is going to take a space. This one, first one and the third one is same. Okay, so it will be same like this. Hello one space world. Here we mentioned separator is one space. Yes, it's correct. And in the third case it is going to merge all three with the separator is space. So in that case it will be hash hello world 123 testing. Yes, it's correct. So I will format this one. Okay. Now we have completed the catenate string, catenate keyword. Now let's move to another one, that is uh, we have convert to lower, upper and title case. Let's go by one. So as we know, convert to lower means whatever the string you are given, it is going to convert to lower case, and convert to uppercase means whatever the string you are given, it is going to convert to uppercase. And title case is, it's like the first word is going to capitalize, uh, first letter will be capitalized. Yep. Let's go. Yeah. Now let's write for converting a string to lowercase. So string is equal to convert to lowercase ABC. Now expected output will be ABC small letter. That's one more is string convert to lowercase. Now we'll add both numbers followed by some capital letters A, 2, I will write small c, 3, D. Now the output could be, it's going to be, okay, sorry, this is A instead of D. Okay, let's go for uppercase. Same thing we are going to do, but we need, I'll copy the same thing instead of here upper uppercase. Now here I will do ABC. Just I will do exactly opposite of this one. Yeah, now we are done. Now uppercase lowercase is done. Now let's execute the program and see the output. It's completed. Now refresh. Now convert to lowercase. This is what expected, ABC. So this is correct. Now convert to this one, ABC lowercase, that is we also completed. Now uppercase. Now we are converting to uppercase. Same. Now they also we're converting to uppercase. They also same. Yes, whatever we entered, we got the proper output. Now we have one more keyword, that is convert to title case. Okay, let's write this one. String is equal to, I think we have multiple strings. I will write string 1 is equal to convert to title case hello world. This is what we are expecting is hello world. Now one more thing is string 2 is equal to convert to title case. Now I'm going to write it's an okay iPhone. So here the output will be a little different because it will be it's an okay iPhone. Why this is not converted to title case means, if there is any word entirely is in a capital word, capital case, then it is not going to convert. And the second thing is, if any one of the word in between there is a capital letter, then that also is not going to convert. So this is the main scenario. Now we have one more approach, that is a string 3 is equal to convert to title case. Now I will do distance is 1 km. Now we have an option to exclude some of the words, like for that one how we can able to do, we need to mention exclude is equal to is comma km. Now in this case I don't want to convert this is and km into title case. So then the output could be distance is 1 km. I have mentioned that is we are excluding and km is excluding. Okay, let's write this one. Okay, now execute the program and see the output. Now we are expecting hello world. So hello world, this is a matching. So whatever expected we got. Now in this case what will happen means it is not going to, yes, so it's an, okay, so it's n we wrongly entered. It's an okay. Okay is ignored and iPhone is ignored. Now it's an okay phone. This is also expected one. Now the third one, let's see the output. Third one we expected distance is 1 km because we particularly mentioned that exclude ES and KM. So this is also done. Yeah. So we covered convert to title. Now convert to string is a keyword present in built-in library. Okay, let's go and write some of the code. Now as of now I don't want this test case, just I will ignore, I will comment that one. Now convert integer to string. Now let's see how we can able to convert integer to string. So for that one we need one integer variable, so I will create one integer variable. Int variable integer value is 42. Int 42 is equal to, I will use convert to integer keyword. Okay, 42. Now how can I able to identify whether it's integer or not? For that one we are going to use a evaluate keyword to print the type of the variable. So for that one I'm going to write int 42 type is equal to evaluate type. I'm going to use the type keyword. From type it is going to return the type of the variable. So I need to mention int 42. When I mention here it is going to return the type of the variable. Now we created one integer variable. Now we are going to convert. So string 42 is equal to convert to string, that is int 42. Now similarly I am going to type what kind of, we can here mention the type also, string 42. Now let's execute the program and see. Here we are expecting integer type and here expecting string type. It's completed. Now refresh. Now we created one variable that is the int 42 which is assigned to 42 is there. Now we are going to check the type. As you can see evaluate is returning classes type of int. Okay, now we are converting to string. Once we converted we are checking whether it's an integer string or not. As you can see the type is string. Now these were converting integer to string. Now let's go for converting floating point or decimal points to integer. So this is also similar, float to string. Now I'm going to mention float 3.14 is equal to convert to number. Here I can't able to use the integer because it's going to truncate the decimal point. That's the reason I'm using convert to number. I'm going to use 3.14. Now I'm going to type this value, type of variable, type is equal to evaluate type, type float 314. Now I'm going to convert string 314 is equal to convert to string. What's the value? Float 314. Now similarly I'm going to check the type. Type is equal to evaluate type float 314. Done. This is we are done, so I'm going to comment out this one. Now let's run. Now we see, now we created a one decimal point with convert to number, and we are evaluating the type. So here we can see the type is float. Now we converted that string. Once we converted, we can go here and go and see whether it's a string type or not. It's a string. Wait, something is wrong. Okay, here we converted and we got the value here, so we need to mention this value, not that one. So here string, this one. Once we done, now the final value should be type of string. Now this is also we are done. Now we have one more scenario where we can convert list to string. Let's see how we can do that one. Convert list to string. So documentation test converting a list to a string. Now I'm going to create one list variable. List value is equal to create list 1 2 3 4. Now log list value. Now I'm going to convert string value is equal to convert to string, that is list value. Once we are converted, now once we are converted, what expected value we are seeing is 1 2 3 4. This is a list. Once it is converted, it's all the values are going to convert into string. In that case, it is a in this format. Okay, now let's run one assertions and check this one. Okay, so for that one I'm going to use should be equal as strings. First thing is string value, this is underscore, and yep, I think it's going to be space maybe. Let's see. Now we are going to type here, type also string value type is equal to evaluate type, this is string value. Done. Now let's see whether we got a proper output or not. It's a failing. Okay, log list, it's a log list is present from collections library collections. Okay, now once let's run this one. List value, I think Here I have given. Now let's write yes pass. Let's refresh. Okay, we created one list variable and we are printing the list variable. Afterward we are converting that one, and once we converted, as you can see, whatever value we entered is converted now. Created now, and it is passing. Is a type of string. Here you can see when you print the string, it is showing that values. Similarly, we'll go for next one, that is converting dictionary to string. How we can able to convert dictionary to string? Convert dictionary to string. Now I'm going to create one dictionary object. Dictionary value is equal to create dictionary, that is key 1 is equal to value 1, key 2 is equal to value 2. Log dictionary value. Now once that one means we need to convert. So once we convert means string value is equal to convert to string, and input is dictionary value. Once we are converted, what is we are expecting? Here we are expecting the same value but in string format. That is, it should be key 1 colon value 1 comma 1 space key 1 colon value 1. Let's write should be equal as strings string value followed by this one. Now we can use the same code to check whether the type. Let's run this one. Pass. Yep, we have created here one dictionary object. You can see key is equal to 1, value is equal to key 2 is equal to value 2. Once we converted, it is matching. Whatever we thought, the same thing is there, and it is matching. And at the final, it is a type of string. We are printing type. So this is how we can able to convert dictionary to string. Now our next thing, next one is convert boolean to string. Now we see convert boolean value to string. So I'm going to create one bool value is equal to set variable true. Let's print the type here also. Here bool value type is equal to evaluate type bool value. Okay, once we are done means now we are going to convert string value is equal to convert to string bool value. Once we are converted, what we are expecting is it should be true, capital T, all afterward remaining everything should be small. Let's write should be equal as strings string value is expected 1. Now string value type is equal to evaluate type string value. Now we are converting boolean to string value. Now let's write pass. I will come here. Yeah. Now here we are going to check what is the type. Here you can see, we can see that type is bool. Now once we converted, it is a type of string and the value is true, means T is capital, remaining are small. So this is how we can able to convert boolean to string. Now this is also done. Now we have one more thing, that is convert none type to string. Now convert none to string. How we can able to convert none to string? Now let's write. Now I'm going to create one none type. None value is equal to set variable none. Now I'm going to print the type. None value type is equal to evaluate type none value. Once we are done, now I need to convert string value is equal to convert to string none value none value. Now once it is done, convert to string. Now once it is done means what I'm expecting is it should be none, means first letter is capital, second one all are small. So let's write should be equal as strings, that is a string value followed by none. Okay, now let's type that one. So this is a string value type is equal to evaluate type, that is a string value. Now let's execute the program and see what could be the output. Execute, find built-in should be equal as string, should be equal. What is this? I'm filling no keyword, should be equal as string. Okay, I think I'm missing s here. Now let's write yes, working. Now refresh. Here we can see I have created one none type. Let's see what is the type is showing. Here showing that none type, class is none type. Once it is converted, it should be first letter is n, capital N, afterward small letter, and we can see the type is string. So we covered convert to string. So we covered all the types, and we can I will show entire program one more time. Yep. So we covered catenation, convert to lower, upper, and title case, and convert to integer, float, list, dictionary, boolean, and none type to string. Yep. That's it. Thank you.